Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since fall has recently started, I thought I'll do some painting related to that. Let me tell you a short story. The other day when I went for a walk, I have noticed the leaves turn red and I was mesmerized with the beauty of the nature and quickly plucked few leaves from the tree and came home and started painting. So these are the leaves that I brought, and as you can see, I've just done the basic filling of red color to give a real effect, a real look for the painting. I have made my paint very thick because I don't want any shallowness or any unevenness in the painting. That's the reason I have made the top coat, which is the maroon shade, the thickest version. When I'm sliding the brush also, you can see it's very difficult to slide, but after the painting is done it will look realistic because of the intensity of color that's been put on with the brush. Coming to the strokes, just move your brush from down to upwards. Sometimes you make mistakes, but since it's painting, you can still correct them and make it look more beautiful with your mistakes. The secret is only you know what mistake it is, no one else does. So let me just complete the whole thing with the maroon paint. If you remember this brush that I have used for my previous paintings, this is the thinnest brush I have, but see the grip that it gives. I can easily paint the finest lines with the brush because the stick of the brush is thick enough to hold and it gives a lot of grip. For the colors that I have used to give those fine lines is just the lighter shade of red with mixed with orange, and that's it. One tip that you have to learn here is you have to use the strokes in one direction only. Once you start from a direction, just keep the brush in that direction until you are done with the stroke. If you change the direction, then the thickness or thin line will change and it will not look even. The vibe with the fall season is completely different and unique. It is rich with different festivals which mainly celebrate the return of light. The leaf, though turned red, has hints of green and hints of yellow, and therefore I'm trying to give the highlights. And finally, I'm trying to give the highlights with the darker shade of paints. Let's reveal the final look. So this is the painting and this is the leaf. Thank you for watching. Do watch my other videos as well. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's meet next time. Bye bye.